Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Puzzle. Today we will talk about this puzzle here, and I'm really excited about this puzzle because it's one of my all-time favorite puzzles, the 20-cent box. It's a laser-cut box made by Konstantin in Germany out of laser-cut wooden parts, out of some metal parts and some acrylic parts here to enable you to look inside. And it comes together with this wooden key and also a regular 20-cent coin that's already inside here of the puzzle. And the goal of this puzzle is to free the 20-cent coin from this box. No more information given. And what I really like on this puzzle and what makes it one of my favorite is this puzzle tricks you really hard, okay? It lets you completely on the wrong path in the beginning until you find a solution, and then it has this nice aha effect when you find the solution. So very cool puzzle, and I really struggled with this one for some time. Therefore my difficulty rating here is a 4 out of a maximum of 5. And there is not much more to say about this puzzle. It's just a great one, and after the spoiler break we will discuss the solution of this puzzle. But before we come to the spoiler break, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video. It's Skillshare.com. Skillshare is an online learning platform that contains thousands of classes divided into the 4 main categories: creative, business, technology and lifestyle. For me, of course, creative is the most interesting one due to my YouTube channel. And when I was contacted recently by Skillshare, I was very happy about it because since a longer time I intended to switch my video editing software from a very basic one to Adobe Premiere. But I was always struggling to do so because Premiere is such a powerful program with endless possibilities, and I just didn't know how to start learning it in a structured way. But now, with the help of Skillshare and their Adobe Premiere classes, I finally made the step learning it. Currently, I'm working through the beginner classes and I'm really convinced about the quality. Jordi, for example, who held this Adobe Premiere class here, is a great teacher, and also he's updating the lessons frequently according to the latest changes in Premiere. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment below the video and he will answer within a short time. And I can tell you the classes provided by Skillshare are much better as doing your own research and searching for information, because the classes are held by professionals and these guys are absolutely knowing what they're talking about and doing it in a very structured way. An annual subscription for Skillshare is less than $10 a month, and if you are interested to check it out and give it a try, just check out the link in the video description. The first 500 people using that link get a 2-month free trial. So go get it, and I'm sure you will love it. So, as mentioned already in the introduction, a box, a coin inside, a key, and the task or the goal of this puzzle to free the coin from the box. There are no moving parts really, or the first thing I tried is I tried to give it a smack here to somehow open it up. I thought about some magnets or something, and it didn't open. So I was curious what to do with this key, because you can put the key in here and you can put the key down here from the bottom, but it doesn't really help you, okay? It doesn't really help you to get the coin out. What I tried to do, I thought maybe it's some kind of a dexterity game, because as you know, the Free Willy puzzle from Konstantin, this is also kind of a dexterity game, and I knew this before, so I thought maybe I should balance the coin on the key, put it up and get it out here through the gap. So I put the key in from below, I tried to balance the coin, but the problem is you can put the key from down here always only decentered. As soon as you push the coin up, this part here of the key needs to get inside, and then the key is decentered since the coin is exactly centered inside. If I push it up, it always will drop off, or it will come off the key. It will not remain here centered on the top of the key. So this is no possibility to take it out. Then I try to shake it. I try to somehow get the coin out like this with some luck. No chance. It is possible for sure, but this is also not the intended solution. The trick about this puzzle is genius from my point of view. And the trick is about this little hole up here, which has no, from first point of view, not really a function. You can put in the key here, but there is nothing you can do with the key. But you need to use everything this puzzle comes with. You need to use the box, of course, itself. You need to use the key, and you need to use the coin to free it. And the way it's done is you place the coin flat on the side of the puzzle like here, and then you move the coin up here that it's exactly in front here of this hole. And when I put in now the key, it will be blocked by the key. But if I continue and press a little bit stronger, the rear of the puzzle will open up, because it is held by two magnets over here, and it will just pop up as soon as you press with the key, and the coin is kind of an elongation for the key that presses the rear, and you can remove the rear. And in case you forget to place the coin inside again, because you wouldn't be able to open it up again, there's this small gap here in the front where you can just put in the coin again to be able to open it up in the future again. This is so brilliant, this puzzle is so brilliant, and therefore from fun point of view and amusement point of view, this one gets my absolute highest rating overall. And the good thing is it's also available all around the world, so link in the description where you can get it. I can really recommend this one, and I hope you like this episode, and I hope you like this puzzle as much as I do. And if yes, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell if you would like to get informed about future episodes. You can also join, of course, my Facebook and Instagram channel for additional information. And until next time, keep on puzzling!